What is going on, everybody? We back at it again. I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet. I wanted to start you off over here in the proof group of the My Six Figure Feeder. This is a one-time $15 fee, and you'll be able to get paid unlimited $5. And I just want you to see all the people so far that have joined with us, that has have multiple successes with the feeder, and it also come with a leverage line. So when someone joins underneath you, you leverage the power of them, and you get a $5 sale commission every time they make a sale, which is an awesome setup, and a very affordable, and how you say, it's very affordable for the masses. And that if you're a newbie that's trying to get into what is going on, y'all, if you want to start a affiliate marketing business or get into affiliate marketing, and you want to start, I say, cost affordable, something that doable to you, well, I want to introduce you and let you guys know about the five figure feeder, where it's $15 one time to join, and no monthly fees. It'll be your product, so you get the resellers right on that. So you make 100% commissions direct to you through Cash App, Bitcoin. They have multiple offers and multiple ways that you can get paid direct to you. Me, I like to use Cash App, and that's because the fees are low and it's always instant, and I never have a trouble when it comes down to cashing out or even using Cash App. So just a little hint there. Cash App is pretty much a good way to start, because then you can have your Bitcoin account and a Cash App account all into one system. I'll leave a link in the description for Cash App if you're something that sounds doable to you. But not to get off topic and stuff, with the six figure feeder here over in the My Six Figure Blueprint group, as you can see, has brought in multiple members into the group. And right now is the best time to join, because this group isn't oversaturated, and with this marketing system, it'll also offer you postcards to be able to mail out postcards if you don't want to get on YouTube and put your face in here, like I'm doing. You got to take the leap though, and that'll be another video why video marketing is so powerful nowadays. But not again, I can go on and on. I love to talk. I love to communicate with people. I have my Facebook link down in the description. Please link up with me. Hit me in the direct messenger. I will get back with you ASAP. And man, let's link up. Let's converse and talk a little bit about you all. Want to know about you all, and you guys can get to know me too. But we're going on about the My Six Figure Feeder. As you can see, it's bringing multiple people into the opportunity. It's a low ticket opportunity to get into. This system do offer a high ticket, so they do have systems ranging from $1,000, $400, $300, $150, and the $15 feeder is what I'm talking about now, because there's so many people that want to get online and want an opportunity. But right now, how our country is and where we at in our state with it comes to funds, $15 is a great way to get your feet wet, get a little dabble into the marketing system, the marketing world, to see if this is for you. If it's not for you, we throw away $15 at McDonald's every day just to buy 2 meals, man, maybe a meal and an extra soda. But if you feel that you would like to start affiliate marketing or trying to get into the online space and market digital products, this is a great way to start this opportunity. What they have for you is, let's see, lost myself here. With this system, it comes with done for you capture pages. So if you come over to the back office, because I'm you'll be coming in at the 5-figure feeder, and they offer three done for you capture pages. You can edit these capture pages to bridge them to yourself, to brand them to yourself, so that way people can start to know, like, and trust you. When it comes to marketing, it's a big factor, the know, like, and trust, to gain your gain the confidence of your audience, is to be able to give them know, like, and trust. And on here, on this channel, I'm gonna be as transparent as possible. I'm gonna be me. I can't be nobody else but Corey, and give you nobody else but Corey, and give you the real about these systems. If I had a chance to come into a system like this when I started 3 years ago, I would have jumped on this opportunity. Why? Because it has done for you funnels, 7-day follow-up email, so that way you can get the ball rolling and see how things start. Now you might think $5, you will receive $5 commissions, and then with the leverage line that they offer, whoever starting up and start with you, you'll be able to receive $5 every time, and they make a commission too. And then the admin will make a commission. So that's how the $5 feeder works. It'll be broken down in 15 from 15 to 3 parts. But in the link in the description, I'm gonna have this video down in the link in the description. It's an 8-minute video that gives you a whole total overview of the marketing system and what the 6-figure feeder is and how it can work. And if there's something that you think is truly good for you, get started. And I'm gonna make this video kind of short, just sweet and to the point. If you get started as an action taker to start with me, I want to take your link. You'll get an email from me. I want to get your link to your feeder, and I'm going to add your feeder to my traffic rotator of over 30,000 subscribed emails that open regularly and are really responsive. I'm going to just take you right over here into my Gmail. As you can see, my 6-figure all the way down, and this continues from that list that I send this traffic to. I want to send your link to the same traffic, so that way you too can also start generate $5 commissions. Watch the video, put your information in here, click continue, and it'll take you over to the sign up board where you can choose how you want to get started. That's my time, you guys. Again, for the action takers out there, and if you're new and you want to get into something that's easy, newbie friendly, link up with me. Contact me on Facebook. I want to talk to you. Make sure this is a perfect fit for you. Get you going. And then again, I'm going to send your link to my traffic rotator so you can start getting eyeballs to your capture page and start receiving $5 unlimited leverage line pickups. Alright, you guys, I'm out of here. Corey Norris. Go do something. I'm about to go hang out with the kids. You go do the same.